Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to find my phone settings on Android. If you want to find my phone settings on your Android phone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your mobile settings app and here just scroll down and look for Google. Here's that, just tap on it. Now select all services and here scroll down again and look for Find Hub. Here's that, just tap on it. And here you have a setting of allow device to be located. You just have to enable this setting, just tap on it and then verify yourself. And now you can see I have successfully set up of my find my device on Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.